Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. So you guys have already read the title. Today's video is going to be a room tour. So I asked you guys on my Instagram story what types of videos you guys want to see from me, and a room tour was one of them, so I decided to do it, obviously. Also, since I just started out my channel and you guys don't really know me that well, I kind of wanted to do a little bit more of a personal video, and I feel like my room is very personal. I mean, it's my room. And the last thing I want to say before we get into the video is I've decided on an uploading schedule. I forgot to talk about it in my last video. So I'm going to be uploading every Sunday at 12, and if for some reason I happen to miss a week, I'll probably end up doing 2 videos the next week, or I'll do something to make up for it. But I'm going to try really hard to keep that uploading schedule consistent. Also, if you guys have any video requests for me, just let me know down in the comments. So with all that being said, let's just get into the video. So here's what my room looks like when you walk in. I'll do a little overview for you guys. So when you walk in, there's just this calendar on the wall that I got from Target. This was like $3 from the dollar section. I guess I'll start over here. Here is my dresser. I don't really know where it's from. This was my sister's room before it was mine, so it was already in here. So the first thing on my dresser is this little tray that has some sunglasses on it, a plant from Target, and a mug from Amanda. That's actually Amanda, by the way. And I just filled that with some Reese's Hearts for Valentine's Day. I know it's not for a while, but whatever. And then I have this piano jewelry box that Jacob got me for my birthday. It has my name engraved in it, and it plays music too. I just have to like wind it up. And I just have some rings and earrings in there. And then on my dresser mirror, I have all these Polaroids. I actually printed these out from my phone, but it's really cool because they're actual Polaroids. They're not just like stickers or something, because a lot of photo printers print just stickers, not actual Polaroids. This is actually what I used to print those. I got it for Christmas. You can get it on Amazon. And then over here I have this little candy dish my mom gave me, and it just has a bunch of like lip products in it and chapstick and a perfume from Ariana Grande. Then I got this M from Target and this plant from Target. Most of the plants you guys are going to see in my room are fake, and they're from Target. And then these roses that Jacob got me. By the way, I was watching a room tour video the other day, and the girl showed like what was inside all of the drawers and stuff, and there were so many comments saying like, oh my gosh, I love when people do that, like I hate when people don't show what's in their drawers. So I guess I'm gonna show what's in my drawers. So in this first drawer, I just have my summer PJs, or like just PJs for warmer weather. And then here's all my warmer PJs that are like long sleeves and sweats and stuff. And then these are all of my sweatshirts. And here is just a bunch of random stuff. I just have a beanie, some hats, an umbrella. And in here, I just have my Disney ears and a bunch of bathing suits. In here, I just have my shorts and skirts, and then in the bottom one, I just have all my workout clothes. So moving on, over here, I just have these little shelves with some bins on them, and they just have a ton of random stuff filled to the top. So I'm not gonna bother showing you guys that because there's just too much stuff in them. And then on top, I just have some perfume and this little rose plant from Target. It's fake. Most of the plants in my room are fake except for these. And then we have a home phone still. I really don't know why, but we still do. And there's one in my room, so yeah. And I have this backpack hanging on the wall. This is from PacSun. I take it everywhere with me. You guys have probably seen it in my Pismo and Monterey videos. Next up, I have this calendar on the wall. This was like $5 from Target. It was so cheap, and it's just like a whiteboard. I only really have it filled up until now, and then that's just when we go back to school. Then over here is this little seating area, I guess. I just have this bin with a couple pillows in it. Then right here, I just have this little crate from Target that I stood up on its side because I think it works really well as a little side table for this chair. And I just have a few books in here and a little fake plant from Target again. These are also both fake plants from Target. And guess what, guys? This is also from the Target dollar section. If you can't already tell, literally everything in my room is from the Target dollar section, so. Anyway, I just have all my camera stuff in here. This is my camera case. I have a car tripod in here and just other small stuff for my camera. And then here's my window. I have these curtains from Target. And this chair is also from Target. I got this blanket from Target and this cute little stuffed animal from Francesca's. Okay, so next up is my bed. It looks a little bit childish because of some of the pillows on it, but I'm still working on those. Almost everything is from Target. I think everything is from Target except for the Build-A-Bear. Then I have this tapestry on the wall from Amazon, and I forgot to mention, this is from New York. My mom got it for me while she was there with my sister. And then over here, I just have all my necklaces hanging up. I also have this little thing on the side of my bed because I don't have a nightstand since I have a day bed. So it just holds whatever I would need to put on like my nightstand. And guess where this is from, guys? If you guessed the Target dollar section, you are correct. Okay, moving on. Here is my closet. It's just 2 mirrors. So, I won't really show you guys too much of the inside of my closet. Really messy. I'm sorry about that, guys. The other side is even messier, so I'm not gonna show that. And then we have my desk. When my room is clean, I usually just have my keyboard, pencil, and iPad. And then I have this little thing sitting on top of it, and it just has my Polaroid, a candle, and a plant from, guess where, the Target dollar section. And in here I just have like random stuff. Need to clean that out. And here also just have random stuff. Over here on this side I have all my electronic stuff like cords, things like that. And then I just have all my scrunchies in this drawer. And then on the inside I just have this little tray with a bracelet. This tray is from the Target dollar section. Then I have this little photo printer that I showed you guys earlier. And I have this charger thing, which I don't use. You plug the charger into the back, and then it's supposed to be like a stand for your phone. But I never really use it. Then I have this little white elephant that my sister got for me in India when she went there for a few weeks. And this lamp from Target, and this little sign from Francesca's, I think. And then this is my Polaroid wall. I have not updated this in like years actually, so I really need to do that. That's why I got that printer, but I'm just too lazy to put those up there. So at some point I'll probably do that. And then this drawer I still need to clean out because it's super messy. I just throw everything in there, so I won't be showing you guys that. Okay guys, so that's all I have for this week's video, and I hope you guys liked it. Leave me any requests you guys have for videos down below. If you want to give this video a thumbs up, I've never said that before. I'm not used to all this YouTuber stuff. If you guys want to like and subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye.